Day by day, text-to-speech and voice cloning tools are becoming more advanced. WordVoice takes AI speech synthesis to a whole new level with incredibly natural, expressive, and realistic voice generation. Listen to this original speaker.
The team to change what they're doing if you don't change some of the coaches or perhaps change.
Listen to result.
I will never agree to this. Are you crazy?
But that's not all. WordVoice doesn't just clone a voice. It gives you precise word-by-word control over how that voice sounds. You can adjust the pitch, energy, duration, pauses, and even the intonation of individual words using simple inline control tags. For example, you can make a single word louder for emphasis, extend its duration for dramatic effect, raise or lower its pitch, or add natural pauses between phrases. This level of control lets you fine-tune the speech exactly the way you want, making the output sound far more expressive and human. Now let's jump into the installation process, set everything up step by step, and explore all of WordVoice features. By the end of this video, you'll be able to generate ultra-realistic text-to-speech, clone voices from just a short reference clip, and fine-tune every word with precise prosody controls, all running on your own machine. Click on the GitHub link in my description to go to main page of WordVoice. You can check out its documentation and everything you need to know about WordVoice from there. Good thing is there is Hugging Face space to try this before installing. You can try this and use it to see how good it is. To install locally, you need at least 8 to 10 gigabits graphic card, 20 gigabits RAM, CUDA Toolkit 11.8 to 12.8, Python 3.10.11, FFmpeg, Visual Studio, Git for Windows. I have made a playlist how to install these dependencies. Check it. Once you're ready, click on 3 dots at right top and choose Run Local option. Choose Clone Git option and copy Git clone code. Go to folder or drive you want to install this in and type cmd in folder path. A new command prompt window will open. Paste code you copied to clone WordVoice. Go to Clone Fold and copy its path. Type cd space and paste this path. Create venv using Python 3.10. Activate venv with activation code. Now install PyTorch. First, make sure CUDA Toolkit is installed and what version it is. Mine is 11.8. I will install 11.8. From PyTorch page, copy code matching your toolkit. If you don't find matching, copy and code and paste in command window. 126 represent CUDA Toolkit 12.6. 118 CUDA Toolkit 11.8. Just change toolkit to yours. Add Torch Audio before installing PyTorch. Once PyTorch installed, go to main folder of WordVoice and open requirements file. Remove first 4 lines. Change ONX runtime GPU version to matching your toolkit. Add spaces in Piero and save requirements file. Now in command window, run requirements code to install requirements. Once requirements installed, remove Hugging Face Hub. Now install this version of Hugging Face Hub. Now finally run main code. This will download 10+ GB models. When you see local URL, copy and paste in any browser to launch WordVoice. To avoid running codes again in main folder, create new text file. Open this text file and type this code you see and save as run.bat. Now just double-click Run File and use WordVoice. Usage is very easy. First, upload audio file under 20 seconds what you want it to sound like. This will auto-transcribe this audio file. Once transcribed, type text, add inline tags. You can check them from list. Click Synthesize.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.